In this video, I'll show you how to order from Alibaba using your phone. To get started, open the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search bar at the top and type the name of the product you want to buy. Browse through the results and tap on a product to view more details, including the price, minimum order quantity, shipping options, and supplier information. After reviewing the product details, tap the Add to Cart option at the bottom of the screen. Now select the required variations such as the product color and quantity, and then tap Add to Cart again to confirm. Next, go to the cart section by tapping the cart icon at the top of the screen. Select the product and tap the checkout button. On the checkout page, first enter your shipping address at the top. Then choose a payment method and carefully enter your payment details. After entering your payment details, review your order summary and tap Pay Now to complete the purchase. Once the payment is successful, your order will be submitted and it will be delivered within the estimated delivery time shown in the app. And that's it.